Let us start with the installation of the Python interpreter. The first thing we need to have is the Python interpreter. You have to download the Python interpreter, and to download the Python interpreter, open your browser. Open your web browser, and in the address bar of the web browser write www.python.org/download. It directs to the download page of the Python. Now the current production versions are Python 2.7.4 and Python 3.3.1. As per the CBSE curriculum, we are to use Python 2.7.4. Actually, there are certain differences between the Python 3.3.1 and Python 2.7.4. They differ in their certain codes in their library. Means the functions which may be used in Python 3.3.1 that may not be compatible with the Python 2.7.4 and vice versa. So we have to use Python 2.7.4 for the time being. And moreover, as we are going to write our programs on the Windows platform, means we are using the Windows platform, so we have to download the Python 2.7.4 for Windows platform. For that, click on the link Python 2.7.4 Windows installer. A single file will be downloaded, which is actually a package of the interpreter and the supported files. So click on the link. It will ask you to save the file somewhere in the hard disk, somewhere in your storage device, so that you could install the Python interpreter from the file. So click on the save file link and select the location where you want to save the file, and click on the save link. Once the file is downloaded, then we have to install it. So click on the downloaded file, run. Keep all the default options as they are. Click on the next link. Default folder is c:/python27. Next. Now the files are being extracted and the interpreter is being installed. Yes. It will take a bit to install all your interpreter files, Python interpreter files. Okay, now it's showing that this installation of the Python 2.7.4 is completed, and click on the finish button. Now point to your start button, and it's showing us that the Python command line. It's the command line interpreter for the Python. Click on the link, and it's showing us that Python 2.7.4 default, date, and all details are given. Here we can use this command line prompt to write the Python programs. For example, I'm just writing here print hello world. And okay, now the hello world is displayed. I'm writing a = 10. This is just for the sake of testing, and I'm writing b = 20, and I'm writing print a + b. So it should display us 30. Yes, 30 is being displayed. Okay, that is one thing where we can write our programs. But at the same time, when we install the Python interpreter, at that time some GUI IDE is installed by default. So let us check it. All programs and Python 2.7. Click on the link IDLE Python GUI. IDLE stands for Integrated Development Environment Python GUI, Graphical User Interface. Click on the link, and it's the same options, the same prompt is displayed, but with additional functionalities. For example, we have shell, then edit options, file, options related to the configuration of IDLE, etc. Let us try here. We are writing here print say hello world, and yes, the message is printed. I'm writing a equals to 50 and b equals to 60, and I want to print the sum of a and b. Print a plus v. Okay, now it's showing this a plus b. Okay, now let's write print. Actually, it was not to be enclosed within the quotes. We write here a plus b because a and b are variables. We will learn about these things in the later in the coming video lessons. For the sake of testing, we are writing that print a plus b. So it's showing us the 1 1 0. That is the result of the addition of a and b. It's 1 1 0 110. So that's how we can install the Python interpreter. In the next video, we shall learn how to install a more advanced IDE for the development of your Python programs, and we will be using Eclipse IDE, and we will learn how to configure your Python interpreter with the Eclipse IDE so that you could write your programs in a more productive manner. Thank you.